Hello friend, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. And today I'm going to talk about the one beautiful topic, which is language versus communication skill. Whenever we talk about the communication skill, so we what we understand, we think like that communication is English, right? Communication is a like language. When because there are so many learners, they always say like that I'm improving my communication skill, but when you ask to like them what is the communication skill, so they think like that English or any other language. But I want to tell you one thing, there is a like difference between communication skill or language. It means the language which you are using, and the if you want to convey your thought and idea and expression to help of any language, so it is a language, right? Language means the medium of conveying your thought and ideas. And when it's come to speak about the communication skill, so communication is skill, it's mean kind of the way you are presenting your thought, the way you are speaking, like the way you are presenting to yourself, or your body gesture, and the way you are speaking, intonation, and talking way. So it is a communication skill. So if you want to improve your communication skill, so there is no need to be perfect in any language, because you are already in your native language, you are perfect. But when it speak to effective language and effective way speaking, so you have to give your speech as a moderate, not a very fast or not a very slow. So it means the communication skill and language, both are different things. And when it's come to improve the language, so we have to learn something like reading and watching and speaking. We have to do these things. And when it's come to improve our communication skills, so as much as try to speak and record yourself and see yourself to how I'm speaking, and my body gesture and the way I'm presenting to myself, and which word I'm using in which style. So this is the communication skill. So become master in communication skill, so you have to put a lot of effort in your tone or in your presenting of like a way. So, and what we do, just we think like that communication skill, it means a language, and just we are speaking and the in a same way, like sometimes very fast and sometimes very slow. And there is no kind of the up to mark and appropriate way of speaking. So though we are not very good, and it is not a like a overnight process, it will take some time. But I wanted to clarify the things, which is the different difference between communication skill or like language. So we are practicing now, we are learning English, right? So we are learning a language, and language in the sense, the more we speak, the better we become in it. And at the same time, you are also like becoming good in communication skill. So somewhere we are working in two things, we are killing two birds with the one stone. But yeah, it was the very important to know difference between two things, which is communication skill or English. Yes, how can we improve our English? It is the question, because we have been practicing for a very long time. So what I feel, I try to learn grammar, and I try to watch so many video as well. Still I am watching, but when it's come to speaking, so I forgot all the things which I have learned from somewhere. So it seems like that I don't know anything. So what should I do? So for that I should speak more, because when I speak, so I have no time to recall the words and the things which I have learned earlier. So it is a kind of the spontaneous speaking, and there is no time to think and just go and speak. So when you come in speaking, and when you start your speaking practice, so you will get to know gradually. Now I'm getting all the things gradually, right? I'm getting all the things automatically in my mind. So as we are learning speaking English, so try to focus more and more on your speaking, because it is a very crucial, and it is very important to speak English every day, no matter only for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 20 minutes, but there should be speaking practice every day, right? So I hope you understand the things which I am trying to say, and keep learning and keep speaking. The thing will become better in future. Bye bye.